Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Rocket League. The program can't start because MSVCP140.dll missing. Microsoft 2015 redistributable in browser search bar. Click download Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. Click download. Open File Explorer. Right-click this PC, click Properties. My system type is 64-bit. Select VC Redist x64.exe. Open downloaded file. Check I agree to the license terms. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.